orbiting the Earth passes directly overhead at the observation station in Phoenix and Los Angeles, 340 miles apart. See figure 4 to understand easily. So from Los Angeles to Phoenix is 340 miles, right? And now, at an instant when the satellite is between these two stations, so satellite in the sky, right? And its angle of elevation is simultaneously observed to be 60 at the Phoenix and 75 at the Los Angeles. So figure 4, see again. Now, how far is the satellite from the Los Angeles? So, you should understand this is Los Angeles and this is the Phoenix. So, this distance is 340 and satellite here, and this distance, this angle is given. So this angle is 75 and 60. And what is the question? What is this length? So here, how about let's set up easily. So let's say this is A, let's say this is B, let's say this is C, something like that. So it is A, B, C. And then what is the question? What is this distance? This is a question, am I right? Yes. Am I right? Okay. First job to solve this type of problem is what? Set up the triangle, yeah, with the given information. And then from the given information on the triangle, what kind of condition you satisfy among these? ASA. ASA, good. ASA, am I right? So this is the ASA form. So ASA is good to use the law of sine, am I right? Yes. So we will apply the what? Yeah. How to? How to apply? One part is what? All known information. The other part is unknown information, right? Include, right? So how do you set up? Using this formula. Which one is known information, you think?
Sine of 74.
Or what do you need to do first?
Define angle C.
Very good. Find the angle. Your first job is what? Find the angle C. Am I right?
Yes.
So what is the angle C? So to do this, find the angle C. Angle C is?
75 plus, or 180 minus 75 minus 60.
So what is it? Am I right?
Sure.
Is good?
Yes.
Good. So, is it right? Yes. Okay, so we got this. And then how do you apply the sine law?
Sine 45 over 340
Good job.
equals sine, was that 60 over B.
Good job. And then we can find B, isn't it? Cross multiplication. And then B is equal to am I right? So what is sine 60?
It's a root 3 over 2.
Sine 45?
1 over 2.
Yeah? Or 1 over square root 2, yeah? And then what? Fifth multiplication. So anyway, simplify this. And 170. So, and what? 170 square root 3 multiply what? You know what? In that case, I like to use what? Yeah, why not? So what did you answer? Isn't it? It's good. Question, please. Question, please. Nothing hard, right?
Yeah, Wilson.
Okay. Okay, so this is the word problem you can handle. Now, I think I did example 2 before. Let's go to example 3. Did I do example 3? I don't know. Why not? So, do again.
Question.
Yes.
Well, this is for the exam review. One of the questions is an isolated question, and it says find the trigonometric function of the following graph, but there's no graph.
You should pick up the graph from your one of exercise problem and try it. I already practiced with you in the class.
No, I'm saying
So
like.
don't ask too much. You have to go to book and pick up any problem similar to that from the exercise.
Oh, just find a graph.
Yes.
In the book. Okay.
I don't want to give like feeding you
Oh.
100% or 90%. No. Okay. Example 3. No graph is given. You should set up the graph. Right? Okay, go. Solve ABC. What is given condition? When we know angle A is 45 and two lengths, A is 7 square root 2 and B is 7. How do you start this question? What do you need to do first? Huh?
Draw a triangle.
Very good. Good. Okay, so draw triangle. Good job. And then what do you need to do?
Label what's given.
Yeah, so this is 45. Yes, of course my picture is very bad, but it's okay still.
You're okay.
45. Where's A?
It's across from the big A. Between
Yeah,
A
so
and
where?
C.
BC. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is what? A. It is 7 square root 2. Where is B?
Between
Front of the angle B. So
Yeah.
it is B is 7. Yes.
Mhm.
And then this one will be C. Yes.
Yeah.
So what do you mean the solve? What do you need to find? Find what?
The angles of AB.
Angle what?
AB. B and C.
B and C. And what you need? Because one angle is given, two side is given. So what I need to know? Another C. Yes. So you have to make a plan. How do you want to find? Which one first? These three you have to find. What do you want to do?
Find angle B.
Huh? Angle B? Why not? So I will try to find the angle B. So using what? Because this condition is what? What type of condition it is? A, S, S type. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, A, S, S.
SSA.
Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, SSA. Yeah, something. So which one you have to use?
Sine A over A.
Just a minute.
Am I
I
right?
copy wrong. So that's I copy wrong. So you see, somebody should ask.
Oh.
Yeah. Am I right? I copy wrong. Yes. So anyway, so this form, so you have to use the what? Sine law. Am I right? Okay. So apply sine law. How to? How to?
Okay, so sine 45
Uh-huh.
over 7 root of 2 equals
Good
sine,
job.
equals sine B over 7
Good.
equals sine C over
Sine B over what? 7.
Seven.
Yes. And then B is unknown. Solve for sine B first. So sine B is what? 7 over 7 square root of 2 times sine 45. Am I right? Sine 45 is what? Cross multiplication. I do.
Yeah, that's 1 over square root of
Uh-huh.
2. Or 2
So,
over square
yeah,
root of
yeah.
2.
So, oh, anyway, from here, let's simplify this first, right?
Yeah.
It's good? And then what? Is 1 over square root of 2 and the square root of 2. Am I right? So, 1 over square root of 2 times 1 over square root of 2. What is it? What is it?
1 half.
Yes. So we got what? Sine B is 1 half.
1 half.
And then, how do you find B? How do you find B? Inverse. So, sine inverse 1 half is the angle. Am I right? What is sine inverse 1 half?
Um,
T over 6.
Yes, pi over 6. Isn't it? 30 degree. Am I right? Good. Or 30 degree. So B, where is it? So we got B is what? 30. Am I right?
Yes.
And then next one, what do you want to do?
180 minus 45 minus.
That's right. We can't see, so you have to make a plan. So we got B, and then second plan is what? Angle C is what? Obtained by, am I right? So what is it? 105, yes? That's good? Okay? And then we already find B and C. Now, what do you want to do? Next plan. What do you want to do?
Find sine C.
Apply sine rule again, right?
Yes.
Yes. How to? Again, sine 45 over 7 square root of 2 is equal to what? What is C? Angle.
Sine 105.
Sine over, a sine of 105, am I right? Over what? C, yes?
Yes.
So what is C? C is sine 45 sine 105 times what? 7 square root of 2. Am I right? Unfortunately, this is not the special angle, isn't it? So you have to use the calculator. You need to practice with this by calculator. Go. What did you answer? Sine 105. What did you answer? You should practice.
Is there a calculator that has sine?
See, that's the reason. That's the reason I don't want to ask you 6.5 and 6.6 in the exam because too much calculator depending on the angle. Yeah. What is the?
Sine 105 is root 6 plus root 2 over 4.
Whoa, what rule? Your calculator has root? Weird.
Right?
What is it?
Sine 105, I just okay. When I've got it set to radians, it comes out as.
See, so you have to change it to the degree, up to the your calculator setting, default. If your default is a radian and then to convert to the angle. Or you change 105 to the radian.
Okay.
What is sine 105?
0.965.
Point,
0.965.
good, 0.965. And then multiply here, yes? Yeah, and then that's your answer. You understand? Yep. So your answer is what? 0.965 times what? 7 square root of 2. I don't want to go. Understand? Yeah. Another word problem. Let's go. How about example 6, 513. Another word problem. What is given? Is ready? Nadia? Okay. A bird is perched on top of a pole on a steep hill, and an observer is located at the point A on the side of the hill, 110 meters downhill from the base of the pole as shown in figure there. So, what mountain is here, right? And your mountain and your observer's location is here. And pole is here. So from the 110, 110 is what? 110. This distance is 110 meter. And here bird is what? Here is a pole. Here is a pole. And bird is here. Bird is here. So, too much I draw. Yeah, very bad. Very bad. Very bad picture. Oh my God. It's tooth. Like that. This is 110. And bird is here. And here. Okay, oh, not the 20 here, sorry. This is 110. Sorry. Here is 110. Mountain. Here's a top and a bird here. So we can make this kind of triangle. So between observer, the hill, and bird. Yes. And now, what did they say? Read more. The angle of inclination of the hill is 50 degrees. What is 50 degrees? This is 50 degrees from the bottom. This angle is 50 degrees. Am I right? My picture is very bad. Am I right? Ah,
Yes.
good. Now, what is the question? Oh, and the angle alpha. What's the angle alpha? The angle alpha is this one is angle alpha, they say. I don't like my picture. Here. This is mountain, and this is straight line. Your angle alpha wants to be this. Very good. This is alpha. Yes? Can you see? What is the question? Find the distance from the observer to the bird. So our question is this length. Am I right?
Yes.
Now let's set up A, B, C. Why not? A, B, C. So we are looking for B. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay? So what is this type? You have to understand what is this type. In this triangle, what's the type?
You can get it to be side angle side.
Side here.
So yeah, A is angle 110 is a side, and then you can find
What
B.
what is okay? Side is this, right?
Yeah,
And
you can find B because it gives if you draw a line down.
okay, okay. And then
That's a right that's a right angle,
good.
and then you can get the other angle as 40 degrees.
Which one is 40? Oh, I see. Okay, good.
And
This is
then
40. Good.
Subtract that from 180, and you can get B, angle B.
Angle B. Okay. Oh, good. So
Yes.
40, and then what do you want to know?
Subtract it from 180,
Just a minute.
and you get 140.
Very good. Good job. So what is this angle?
140.
Very good. Very good.
And so it's a side angle side.
Very, very good. So what? What? Yeah, but not still yet. See, you looking for which triangle? See here, you looking for ABC, let's assume. Not yet. Not yet. Any other idea? Okay, but I like your approach. Very good, very good. So, oops. Yeah. What I know now? Huh? What I know. Very good.
40.
Oh, let's say, so for your head,
Oh yeah, fine. Sorry.
this is D. Why I make a D? You're starting the right triangle by D is good. Here, what do you need to do first?
Okay, I got more.
Good.
You can find C
Find the C,
by
this one?
adding, yes,
How
so
to?
add the 9 plus the 140.
Where's 9? Oh,
A,
yeah.
A, the
Ah,
A.
they
The book
give
gives
9.
you-
I'm sorry, that's I don't copy it. This is 9 degree, sorry.
So 140 plus 9.
And then it's easy.
Yeah.
Angle, side, angle. Yes, very good. Because I don't like that. ASA, yes?
Yes.
Good. And then, yes, apply what? Apply law of sine. Yes. How to? In triangle ABC, what do you want to do? Eh? Which one is the more information is given?
So you get, so C is gonna be.
Very good. You have to find the C first. Let's see. Because here, before apply this, what is angle C? Angle C is in triangle ABC. Angle C is what? Angle C is 180 minus what? 140 minus 9. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. So what? 131. Am I right? Oh no, 31. Sorry, isn't it?
Yes.
31 degree. Yes. Okay, and then everything ready. How to apply? This is 31. Yes. Good. This is 31. Very good. And then everything ready. Sine 31 over what?
110.
Yes, equal to what?
Sine 140.
Good. Sine 140 over
B.
B. Good job. And then you can find B. Yes? Yeah. So therefore, B is what? B. Sine 31 sine 140 times 110. You can use the calculator, right? I don't know. You can use the calculator. It's good? So calculator say what? This one? So calculator, what is it? Calculator, what is it? Sine 140?
Sine 140 is 0.6427.
Okay. How about sine 31?
0.515.
One more digit.
0.
Okay, good. Times 110, yes? And then you can, isn't it? No problem. Move to the next section. Okay, how about 29? Page 5014. 29. What is your picture? PTA, PTAC, 20, 20, 28. $30. Question is, find BCD and find angle DCA. Which one? BCD is what? BCD is this one. Am I right?
Yes.
This one. And the DCA is what? DCA is this one. Am I right? Okay. How do you find it? How do you want to find it? Make a plan. Which triangle? How do you want to use?
Well, try the law of sines on the.
Which triangle?
CDA.
What?
CDA.
CDA. Good. What do you want to do? Huh? What information do you have?
Side, angle, side.
Good. And really?
Side.
Yes. We have a side angle. Yes? So side angle is what? Which law?
Law of sine.
Yeah, isn't it the first choice? So apply law of sine. How to? How to?
Sine 30 over 20.
Good. Sine 30 over
20.
20 equal to what?
Sine
And let's say sine what?
Sine D over 28.
Sine d, because we already choose this picture, right?
Yes.
Sine d over what?
28.
28. So solve for sine d. So it is sine d is equal to 28 over 20 times sine 30. Am I right?
Yeah.
Sine 30 is 1/2, right? Yes?
Yes.
So what is it? Yeah. 710. Am I right? Huh? Okay, but don't stop here. Only sine value. So what is the angle D? It's a sine inverse 0.7. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. What is it? Go to the calculator.
44.42.
And degree. Yes. Maybe your
Yes.
degree. Yes. Good. So we got what? This is 44.242 degree. Next, what do you want to do? This is step 1. What is your next step?
We can find angle C now.
Good. So angle C is 180 minus 44.42 minus what?
30.
30 degree. What is it? 74. So 102 point what?
105.58.
28 degree. Yeah. Is good.
Minus, I got 105.58.
One what?
105.58.
105.58. Is this?
Yes.
Let me think about it. Is it possible to C can be more than 90 degree?
C? No.
Oh, C, oh, no.
Something wrong. Am I right?
Yes.
So what here? Let's go back. So here, your D. See that you have to think about with the picture. Nonsense or not is available. Is it the right answer? You have to make a question.
No, apparently not.
Huh?
Apparently.
In the visually, 44.42 is reasonable?
No.
No. What? Your D should be what? Greater than
90.
90. Yes, yes. So what? No. So before you go to, you have to adjust. So what is the right choice of D? Huh? Your 0.7 here, think about. Your sign can be positive in which quadrant? First quadrant or second quadrant, right? So what did you answer? So in the second quadrant, what will be? How to deal with the second quadrant?
134.
How do you find the D
That's 90.
greater than? Should
Oh, so subtract 20.
D should be greater than 90 degree. Am I right? Yes. So therefore your angle D is what? Think about it. Your angle D will be what? How do you get 134? What do you mean? Think about it. See, that's this problem is not directly here. Am I right? Here, if your angle is in the second quadrant, always this one is measured by what? This is T and then your value is measured by t tilde. Am I right?
Yes.
So how do you deal with this? What is your angle? This one will be tilde. Do you understand? This is a reference angle. Am I right?
Yes.
So plus pi.
This is reference angle. So plus pi is okay? I don't think so. 180 minus what? 44.42. Yes? Understand? So your answer should be 180 minus 44.42. Yes? So what is it? Almost similar, but 135 to 58 degree. Am I right? Yes? You did?
Almost what I said.
You did? But this is the way to go. This is reference angle, yes? That you have to know. So this angle is what? 135.58. Yeah, and then now, step 2, angle C is what? Angle C is 180 minus 135.58 minus 30. Am I right? So what is it? What is 165? 165 is what? 65 is 15.42. Am I right? Degree. Am I right? So this is your what? Answer of green. Yes? It's good? It's good? And then see green. Okay, now. So now how do you find the red dot? Many different ways you can go, but here think about this triangle is what? Equilateral triangle, am I right? So in you can go differently, but I wanna do this way. We know that what? CB is equal to CD, am I right?
Yes.
Therefore, what I know, angle CBD is equal to angle CDB, am I right? You understand what I mean? This angle, yeah, this angle is the same with this angle, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah? So, here, you already know what is this angle.
180 minus 135.
Right. So this is equal to what? See? Oops.
Is that 44?
180 minus 135.58. Yes? So, and 44.42. Yes? Am I right? So what? This is 44.42. This is 44.42. So, therefore,
Oh, they're the same?
why is same? Because it's equilateral. Yes. So therefore, this is what? This is 180 minus 2 times 44.42. Am I right? So what is it? 180 minus 88.84. So it is what? 91.16? I don't know. Yes?
Yes.
Good. So that's your answer. Isn't it? Okay, so move on. And then, let's move to page 517, example 2. Yeah. Okay. What is given? So here, we know what? A is 5, B is 8, C is 12, and find all angles. So what? You have to draw triangle, and it is what? 5, 8, 12. And this is A, B, C, okay? This is A, this is B, this is C. And then where is the point A? This is A, am I right? This is B, this is C, isn't it?
Yes.
So starting with this, how do you find angles? So what condition it is? What condition it is?
Side.
Good job. So it is side. So what? We have to pick up the law of cosine, right? Apply law of cosine. How to? How to use the law of cosine? Which one do you want to use? How do you use the law of cosine?
Cosine A.
Yeah, you have to use one of these, right? Very good. So cosine A equal to what? 2 times BC. 8, 12, and then what? A squared, 12 squared, minus 5 squared. Am I right?
Yes.
Compute it. What is it? I don't know. Cheating. It is 0.9531. And then, again, angle A is what? Cosine inverse 0.9531. Every angle should be acute angle. Am I right? Yeah. So what did you answer in the first part?
Every angle should be what?
Acute angle, less than 90 degrees.
Oh, because
Yeah,
of
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
okay.
Triangle. What is your angle?
Oh,
18 degrees.
What?
18 degrees.
18 degrees, approximately.
17.6.
Okay.
I get you.
Okay. Similarly, what? We need to take one more angle, right? So let's go cosine B. 2AC what is it? Cosine B is 0.875. So again, angle B is cosine inverse 0.875. It is
28.96.
yep. And then you don't need to go another cosine. What?
Just did 189.
And then you're done. Yes?
Yay.
Good. So that's the way to go. How about example 3? Next one. What is given? Solve triangle. Angle A is given as 46.5. And B is 10.5. And C is 18. What kind of a triangle you have to draw? So, draw. A, B, C. And then A here, B here, C here. A is what? 46.5 degree, yes? B is 10.5, C is 18. Of course, my picture is very bad. It's okay. What?
I got a question. What does the quiz 4 do? Is it midnight or 10?
midnight.
Is that anymore? Is it that?
No more,
Okay.
because you guys ask, request,
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
but so at the right time. So what information? I mean, what kind of type it is?
Side angle side.
Good. SAS form. So which law?
Cosine.
Cosine. Apply law of cosine. How to? Which one do you want to figure out first? How to?
A squared.
A squared, right? You want to find A, right? So here, A squared equal to
10.5 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 10.5 times 18.0 times cosine of 46.
Oh my God, you have to do everything, right? This one using calculator. So what is approximately this? Yeah. Where is it?
0.688.
174.05. You should get this.
What? Cosine of 46.1?
Yeah, what is cosine value?
74.05.
I got.
What is it?
8.
What is cosine 46.5?
I got 0.688.
0.688? I don't know. Is it right?
Oh, that's like, oh, I thought she was saying.
They don't give, so I don't know.
She was confused. She thought you were only finding the cosine of.
Oh, no, no, no. So everything.
You gotta add the everything.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna say.
Good. So it's this. And then don't stop here. You have to find the A. So square root both. And we only looking for the what? Positive value.
Yeah.
This is similar to what?
It's 13.2.
So this is your length. Yes?
Yeah.
So we got this is what?
13.
Now, so this is step one. Next, what do you need? Because we have to solve
Cosine B.
cosine B. So it means you wanna figure out the angle B, right?
Yeah.
Yes, good. Cosine B is equal to
It equals.
AB.
13.2
Yes.
squared plus 18.0 squared.
What?
Oh, you doing box.
18, right? 18. So. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
So what is it? What is it? Yeah. 0.8165. Am I right? So what is angle B? Cosine inverse 0.8165. Am I right? So what is this angle?
It's, hold up.
Yeah, first quadrant angle.
It's 35.3.
And then everything ready. So we know this now. This angle is 35.3 degrees. So and then what? You can figure out.
And another angle should be.
Yeah. Angle C is 180 minus 46.5 minus 35.3 degrees, right? And then you can get. It's good? How it is too much tedious, but important. In the your field, this is important. You will meet, and at that time you have to remind this kind of procedure.
In biology?
Oh, definitely engineering, biology. Curious.
I don't think so.
Chemistry, yes.
Oh,
Physics,
chemistry,
yes. But biology, I'm not sure.
No.
Okay, I know that's the right answer, but I thought you said since it's an acute triangle, I thought all angles are supposed to be less than.
90.
But angle C is 98.
Oh, I see what you talk about. Yes, possible. You know what? Proportionally, And let me check with
It
this.
was just a question, I was just kind of like.
You know what? If you very good question, I really like it. And yes, if you go this and then it's more than 90, yes, possible. So my picture is totally, don't believe me, all right? And then your picture looks like what? Go to figure 5. Your C part is what? Wider. Yes, because this is 18. You understand what I mean?
I didn't want to.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay? So you see, this kind of problem, you have to really carefully check your answer. Is it reasonable angle or not? Yes? Yeah. Very good, very good. Right. Another interesting application, same page, about the navigation. Navigation, 518, like a geology. 518. Example 4. But before we go to the question, you have to understand what? What that means is. Do you understand what that means is? How do you draw your, see, your wind is this way. They make a weather forecast. And then do
Northeast.
you understand what that means?
North 30 degrees.
So how to write down? Okay, let me ask. Where is north? Okay. Where is, yeah, that's everybody answer, right? Where is east? Yes. In other class, somebody said. Okay, anyway.
But never eat soggy waffles.
So what they mean 30? How do you measure 30? From the north angle to like a east. So what? This way or this way?
It go that way.
Yes.
That way.
Yeah. Good. Very good. Am I right? So you wind blowing this way. Yes. Very good. We know. And here one of the terminology. What they mean the bearing is. Here I will gonna read the book. In navigation, a direction is often given as a bearing. That is, as an acute angle measured from due north or due south. Yes? So bearing means what? This angle it means, right? Good. Okay, go to example 4. Now, what did they say? A pilot sets out from an airport and head in the direction of north 20 degrees east, flying at 200 miles per hour. And they travel 1 hour, right? After 1 hour, he makes a course correction and head in the direction north 40 degrees east. Half an hour later, engine trouble forces him to make an emergency landing. So, oh my God. So if we draw, so this is starting part, right? And then what? This is north direction, and then what? Northeast 20, yes? So northeast 20, like this. And then they go 1 hour. 1 hour is 200 miles per hour. It is 20 degrees, am I right? Yes?
Yes.
And then make a correction. How to make a correction? Oh, yeah. And make this direction, this is what? 40, yes? 40? 40, yes, 40, right? And this is what? Half hour, right? With the same speed. Because they don't say anything about the velocity change, yes? And then at this part, they need to landing, right? So that's the situation. Okay. So part A, what is the question? Find the distance between airport and his final landing point. So before landing. So we are looking for what? This distance, am I right? This is the first question, isn't it? Yeah, A. Uh-oh. So here, let's put the point name. So how about A, B, C? So what is your question? Find B, am I right? It's good? Isn't it? This is B. So we looking for B. It's good? Yes? Am I right? Here. So to figure out B, you have to prepare something. Do you know in physics, basic physics, how do you measure the distance? When you know about the time and velocity.
Rate times time.
Yeah, velocity multiply times, yes? So here, see, this one is C, this one is A, am I right? What measure? What is the A? What is the C? What is C? You need to measure this distance first. We only know velocity and time. C is what?
200,
200 miles.
Right, 200 times what?
1 hour.
1. Yes? What is distance?
200 times 1/2.
Good job. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
So, we know that, very small, unfortunately. The length of A is 100, length of C is 200, am I right? Yes?
Yes.
Good. Now, what information you have now? What information do you have? We know this, we know that, and what else? Huh? Here, let me give a hint. I think before I go, yeah, somebody already know that. Let me ask this. This is 30, and then where is 30? This is 30, and then where is 30?
So it's on the bottom.
This one is 30, am I right? Yes? And then where is 30? This one is 30, am I right? Yes? What is the relation between this?
I don't remember the name of those.
Yeah, I forgot also the name. That's how much. And then, what is this angle?
150.
Yeah, 150. Where is 150? This is 150, am I right?
Yes.
And where is the 150? Here is 150, am I right? Yes, here is also 150, yes? Yeah? And this is also what, 30, yeah? Why I'm asking this? Here. Here. This is two parallel line, yes? And this line is passing through, right? And also this line is passing through, am I right? Here, what kind of relation you can make? Because so far, easily I see, we know, oh my God, my picture is very bad. I don't like it. So this is 100, B, C, A, this is 200. And now, what? This is 20. This is 20, yeah? Yes? This is 20 and this picture is also not good, but this is 40, yes? Right? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Oops.
You don't got B?
How about? Nah. Okay. What is a better way to go? Or
We can't, okay, I have a question. It did say he went from 20 to 40, so that's like a 20-degree difference. So would that not be 20 degrees? Would B not just be 20 degrees?
You don't know?
Not that B,
Uh-huh.
the
Which
angle
B?
B.
Which B? Oops, sorry.
Since that moved from,
See, that's what I'm asking. This is 20, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you are question. This is parallel, right? This is 20 and then what? What is 20? Where is 20? No, here. This is 20, right? Am I right? Where is
Yeah.
20? Here is 20, am I right?
yes,
So here is what is where? Here. This is 20 and then what is 20? Yeah. This is 20, am I right?
yeah.
It's good? Yes? Can you see? Okay? Is it helpful? I don't think so. See here, and then this line and this line. What is this?
20.
Good. Yes?
Okay, now it's
Right? Right? And what?
plus 180 on each side is equal to
Here. Crossing this. Here. This is 20. And then here. How about that way? This is 40, this is 20, and then what is this? Where? What is this? You know this is another 20, am I right?
yes.
Yeah? Yes? It's good? Huh? Because originally 40 is given, so 20, right? What is this? 140, am I right? 20, and then what? This is 180, right? So it is what? 140. Can you see? Can you see? Right? Now, how do you make what? Huh? So yeah, B is 160. What information do you have?
I figured out what I was thinking. A is 40,
How do you know?
because he started off at 20. and
This
then
is 20.
Moved to 40.
Yeah, but this one is not parallel to, be careful.
No, it's
This is
40.
not parallel to this one. Yes, I know what you're gonna do. See, now we got information enough. What? See, this is 200, this is 100, and this angle is what? 160, yes?
Yes.
What boom? So we don't need to worry about anymore. So what? Triangle ABC, we got what? SAS form, am I right?
Yes.
So what? Apply,
Cosine.
yeah. Apply law of cosine. Yes, how to? Anyway, so, we need to B, yes, this is
We
B,
already have B.
yes, this is B. So, sine 160 over B is equal to, full information is where? No, not good. Cosine, sorry. What I'm doing right now, too much burned out. So what? To figure out the B square, I'm sorry. B square equal to what?
A squared.
200 square plus 100 square minus 200, 100 times cosine what? 160. Am I right? Go. What is it? I don't know. What is it? What is it? We do that. Oh, big number. 87,587. Point. See, that's the reason I cannot ask in the exam. 70, yeah? So what is B? B is square root. A7, 587.70. So it is, oops, what? And 295.95. this length is. Yes? Yeah? Discussion. Do you understand? Good. So we finish part A. Part B. What is question of part B? Find the bearing. Bearing means angle. Find the angle from airport to his final landing point. So what angle you are looking for? You are looking for what? See, what is a real question of angle? Okay, so we are looking for this angle. Am I right? Yeah. Right? It's good? Oh, no. Let me see. Yeah. From starting point to the landing point, right? Airport, right? Airport to, yes, airport to this. This is alpha. So question is alpha. How do you find alpha? How do you find alpha? Yeah. Can I erase this? So we got this is information is what we already know. This is 295.95. Yep. Can I erase it?
1 second.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, wait, no. I still see.
Because I don't want to erase this. That's the problem. Mhm.
Okay.
Think about it. How do you start the alpha? For alpha. Okay, so erase it.
Angle.
Erase it, and what do you want to do? Oops. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You needed to use the what? Sine law. Yes?
Yes.
To measure what? To measure, how about this? Yes? It's good? So, first step, let's measure this by law of sine. How to? It is what? Sine 160 over equal to sine this, yes, over what? Over what? 100. And solve. So sine this is, oops, 295, 95, 100 times sine 160 degrees. Oops. And then this sine is what? This sine will be a what? 0.11557. So go to the angle. Therefore, angle is what? Sine inverse 0.11557. What is it? Calculator. What is this? From the book, it is approximately what? 6.636. Yes, and then everything ready. So what? How do you figure out alpha? Therefore, angle alpha is what? 90 minus 20 minus 6.636, right? And then you will get it. Yes? Is it good? Yeah, so this is tedious, but good idea. We usually use, right? Weather forecast use this kind of stuff very much. Okay, so maybe you already understand this. Okay, so let me erase it. So last topic in section 6 is useful. Heron's formula. So let's go, Heron's formula. What page? 519. You have a triangle. A, B, C. If you know three sides, A, B, C. And then, how do you measure the area of this? Arbitrary triangle. So for this area, you need to know about what? Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Measure the area by what? A equal to S is measured by, and the name of S is what? Semi-perimeter. Yeah? Why? Because divided by 2. Yes? Isn't it? Okay, that's Heron's law. So nothing special. Yeah? Prove in the book, if you are really curious about the mathematics and how to prove it, based on the what? Law of sine and law of cosine will give idea. Starting from law of sine, because you know 3 sides. Yes? Yep. And then what is the key point? To measure the area, how to make a what? Perpendicular height, right? Using the sine law or cosine. Yes? Yeah, I don't know. So, page 520, example. You will go. Example 5. Word problem. Very simple word problem. A businessman wishes to buy a triangular lot in a busy downtown location. Figure 9. The lot frontages on the 3 adjacent streets are 125, 280, and 315 feet. Find the area of lot. figure 9. So what is his lot? What is his lot? His lot is something like his lot is something like that. So need to be so. Let's say this is A, B, C, and he has a 3 sides. It is 315, 280, and 125. And question is what? How do you measure the area of his lot? How easy it is. So apply the Heron, right? Isn't it? Yeah, apply Heron. To apply the Heron's formula, you have to measure the what? Semi-perimeter first. What is semi-perimeter? So you compute this, it is 360, yes? And then area is equal to what? 360 times 360 minus 125 times 360 minus 280 times 360 minus 350, yes? That's your answer. What is the unit? Because area is a feet square. Yes? Isn't it? Easy, simple. So this is Heron's formula to measure the area of triangle when you know about the what? 3 sides. Yes? Good. Simple, easy. Now, let's move to the exercise problem. Now, your time, okay? Page 521. Yeah. Number, think about number 27. ABC. A, B, C. X here 48, 48, 38, and 30 degrees. Find X. And here 36. Hmm. 3 here, 3 here. And 4 here, 4 here. Find the area. So that's question. Yeah, let's do this too. Any volunteer? Can I erase this?
It'll be 27.
Very good. Come. Yep, very good.
Okay, can I do 36?
Yep. I can erase it. Go.
You want me to wait till she's done, or
Hmm?
you want me to wait till she's done?
You have lots of space.
Oh.
Lots of space. Go. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, no problem. Good start. Oops. So. Oh, you wanna make this? Okay.
Can I not do that?
It's okay. You make this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? I will give a number. A, B, C. Do you need more? And then I can give you D. I can give.
You lost me at the B. But
Because point, right? Point means at the corners, at the what? Crossing point, right? Make a point. Yes.
yeah.
So yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I see. Good. How do you know this is 6? You don't know this is 6. My first question is what?
I can't add 3 plus 3?
No, of course not.
Oh.
No. So erase it. Erase it. I know, messy computation. My curious point is this. What is cosine 30? Oh, let me make a question.
Where
Not everybody comes in the library. Good. Yeah. It's okay. Rachel, you did a good job. B is what? Write down.
Yeah. I was getting there.
And
I'm
you know
slow.
what, Rachel, when you write down, you should write down this. Don't make a mistake. Copy. Don't need to compute. Put everything. That's perfect. You got the whole point. Rachel.
You don't want me to do the whole thing?
No. time consuming. At home, you should do that. Rachel, work with, Rachel. Very good. Good. What?
I don't know. Would it not just be side, side, side?
Anybody has idea? Yeah, this is not the straightforward
Side,
question.
side, side.
You cannot directly, isn't it?
I don't
Isn't it?
know. I'm not gonna hurt my
Think
brain.
about it. It's okay. Yeah. Think about it.
You didn't put 60. That's why I'm sitting here looking stuck.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh, okay.
I was like,
There's no
ain't no
problem.
way.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I was like, what?
I'm so sorry. Yeah. Try again. I'm so
Oh
sorry.
my gosh.
Yeah, you are
I was
right.
like, am I doing heroin law? Okay.
Because I.
Okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
Good.
Good
Good.
enough.
Try.
So now you
Yeah.
telling me,
Without 60, yeah, you cannot do anything.
okay, so now you telling me, you gotta walk me through side, angle, side?
Uh,
Is that what it's given? Side, angle, side? Because.
No. Oh, so here, okay, side angle side, good. Okay.
Yeah.
So
okay.
here, write down, you have the better. Here, what about? See, I know student problem. You take what? Triangle, ABC, am I right?
Mm-hmm.
This is side, side angle side, okay? Now, what do you wanna do?
Okay.
What do you wanna do?
Hold on, cause
Oh.
side, angle, side, that's law of cosines, right?
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Apply.
So, see, this is messing me up, cause I don't know. So could you just?
Can I give one hint?
You can give me multiple hints.
Let me make a question. ABC, this is 4 and 4. Your name of the triangle is what? Equilateral triangle, yes? Okay, and another hint. Total sum of inside angle is what? 180, am I right? And what do you know? Because this one is equilateral, right? So what is angle A, what is angle B, angle C? Huh? 120 needed to divide by 2, so it is what? 60. So it is what?
So
Actually,
they all
all.
60.
That's right. So you have to do this.
Okay.
This is 60. This is 60 in this problem. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what is the length of AC?
What's this? You trying to find? Okay. T. So would you do B squared?
No, you don't need to go anywhere. Each angle is 60. What is the this?
I'm talking about B. I'm looking. This is B.
Yeah. Here.
Oh. Okay.
What is B?
Four.
You don't need.
You're right.
Right.
It's
Exactly
4.
right. B is 4. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So problem looks easy, right? You try. After that, you do. Try. Huh? Try.
What am I trying?
You're trying to find the area.
Okay, thank you. I'm tripping. There we go. Okay, so.
How do you make measure the shade area?
Okay, I got it now. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, what did you ask? Oh,
Your side, which is 4.
what did you have? Semi-perimeter?
You gotta calculate S.
Huh?
There's another formula for S.
Oh, duh.
I got you.
Thank you. There we go. A plus C over 2. Okay. Then you got 4 times 3, 12 over 2. That's 6. So 6 times 6 minus.
What is your name?
I'm Gabrielle.
See, because you know what? You come sometimes, you don't come sometimes. So that's why I don't remember your name. Every day comes, I know all the name. Anna, Rachel, Zachary, David, Taylor, Devin,
So you don't know my
Macaroni,
name.
Felix.
You don't
The
know my name.
reason because you seldom come.
Gabby, your hair looks nice.
Thank you. See, so sweet.
you're correct.
Okay.
What area you measured? That's you have to make it clear. What area you measured? Area of what? Let me ask.
Oh,
This is the area of what? Triangle what?
that's ABC.
Good, ABC.
Mhm.
Okay, so yeah, okay. So your area of ABC is what? This,
I'm
right?
still doing it, yeah.
Okay, good. Go, go, go.
Okay, what's 24 times 24 times 24
I
times
don't know.
6?
Yeah, help her.
My calculator over there. Y'all
What
can
is
calculate
six
that for
times?
me? Y'all
Six
can
times
calculate
24, 24, 24. Wait, is it 24? I don't think so. No. You compute to not correct.
that. I did that wrong, huh?
Where's the eraser?
It's 6 times 24 times 24 times 24.
No, that's not correct.
Oh,
Here.
okay.
Let me get a, yeah. Here,
Okay, what am I?
6 times 2 times what?
6 times 2 times.
It's 6, right?
2.
2 times, wait, what? Why you make only, oh, I see. You are right, sorry. So it's what? 2, 3 times, right?
2, 3 times. Okay.
Yes,
Times
it's a 8, 6 is what?
48.
That's right, so what is it?
So that's like 2
Uh,
root of 6.
2 square root of 12 and then
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
4 square root of 3, am I
Yeah.
right? Good. Yes?
So that's the area.
No, you measure the area of this, right?
Oh, A, B, C.
And then, what do you need to do? You don't finish yet. Come
Will you
here,
multiply that by the other one?
come here. What do you need?
Subtract number
That's right. Subtract
Oh, you
what?
Subtract it.
Subtract area of what?
AD.
Good job. ADC. Am I right? Yes. Do you understand?
No. Like, what are you talking
Here,
about?
here.
You have to
No.
find the.
This
You
area
have
minus this area.
Yeah, you have to
this area.
find the area of the little
Yeah.
triangle inside and then subtract it out. Yeah.
So the area of the little triangle.
I'm asking this area, right? This area is
Yeah.
what? This area minus this area. Am I right?
We ain't found this area yet.
You can. Same thing. 3, 3,
Yeah.
4.
Yeah, okay.
You don't do that yet.
Yeah, I gotta go over there.
Yes. So
Okay.
that's why.
Okay.
She needs more space.
Yeah, okay.
Go here. So,
Okay.
area of. Go.
So, do I gotta do the S equals A plus B plus C over 2 again? Yeah.
But your side is different, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
I
go,
gotta,
go.
okay. This shouldn't have taken that long. Like, for real. I was like, oh, I got you.
It's locked.
Oh, no. This is why she did it. Okay. 3, 6, 5, 10 over 2, 5,
Disappear. Yes.
hold up. 4, and then
5 times 2 times 1 times 2.
3. Yeah.
20.
Mm-hmm.
A equals root of 20?
Yeah.
And then what?
Okay. This is how it is. And, 2 root of 5.
Good job. So
Okay.
this is the area of this. So
Two
what
root
did
of
you
5,
answer?
y'all.
What did you
Okay, and
answer?
then you do 4
Yeah.
root of 3. How do you do that?
4 root of 3 minus 2
Two
root of 5. How do you do that?
You gotta contain to a
Yeah,
decimal.
that's your area.
Oh.
That's your area.
Oh, it's just that?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Or keep
okay.
it like that.
Good.
Oh.
Very
However she
good.
wanted.
Good job.
Okay. How many points that was? Cause that was a lot.
2 points each time. 2 points each time. Somebody got a what?
And that goes on the
16 points already.
This is accumulate to what? A quiz, test, or
Yes.
final?
For the not a final. I don't put final.
She said,
Total sum of 3 tests. Yes. Yeah. and then adding this present. So it's good, important. Yeah. Okay. So.
Are you gonna ask a question like this on the test?
Not really.
Okay. I'm just making sure, cause
I
I'm about
told
to
you,
say, how do you want
maybe
the?
final exam I can ask, but this time I already mentioned that. I don't ask 5.5 and.
Oh, 6.5 and 6.6, okay.
Anyway, let's go. Last challenging question we can discuss and then stop. What is it? The number 37. Let me see how many understand this problem. We are looking for the area of this. We are looking for the area of this. This, I want to give the guide picture.
I know this one.
Touch, touch, touch. And the radius is 4, 5, 6. So this is 6, this is 5, this is 4. Let's say this is A, B, C. Why not? Okay. Anybody has idea? How do you measure this shade area? Huh?
Is that Pythagorean theorem?
I don't think so.
No.
6.1, you gotta find the circular arcs.
Oh.
Yes?
Part of, right? Yeah.
And then you find the area of each wedge, and then the area of the triangle.
Very
and
good.
subtract.
Rachel, very
Oh,
good.
that's a lot.
See, you have to, learning how to approach, right? Very good. So what? The shade area is what? This shade area will be what? The area of what? Minus what?
How do you denote the arcs,
Arcs.
like the area of the
You don't
arcs?
need two arcs. You need an angle. Yes,
Yeah.
you need an angle. Am I right? Here. Let's go one by one. So, how? Yeah, and then I want to say this is here. This is what? What's the name of this?
Arc
Hello?
sector.
Sector, circular sector. Let's say this is S1. Let's say this is S2.
Yeah.
With S3. So I need to subtract S1, S2, S3, I have to subtract. Am I right? Let's go one by one. So, this part. Area of ABC, how do you measure? What information you have to use? Huh?
Use that, Heron's formula?
Heron. So what's the each side? What is the length of AB?
AB is 11.
Good. What's the length of AC?
10.
Good. What's the length of BC?
9.
Good. See? So here, this is 10, this is 9, this is 11. Am I right? A, B, C. Am I right? So by Heron, yes?
Yes.
Good. By Heron. Heron's formula. So what? You have to figure out S first. It's 11, 9, 10 divided by 2. It is what? 30. So what? 15. Am I right? 15. Sorry. Isn't it? So your area is what? 15 times 15 minus 9 times 15 minus 10 times 15 minus 11. Am I right? Yes?
Yes.
Here is one of advertisement. Can get a free pizza tomorrow. Everybody welcome. pass around.
What?
If your time is available, I forgot.
One
So,
slice?
yeah. Math club. Okay, here. So it is 15 times 6 times 5 times 4. Am I right? What is it?
1800.
1800? Square root is what? I don't know.
Is that 90?
42.42?
42.42?
Yes.
Good. So your area is this. What do you mean 90? Okay? Yeah? Okay, keep going. So we got this area, right? Now go back to this. To measure the area of sector. Question. What's the formula? Area of sector. What's the formula? Formula from previous.
1/2
Good
times
job.
R
1/2
squared
R
times
squared
theta.
times
Theta.
theta, it should be radian. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. So we know the radius, but we don't know what? Angle right now, isn't it? How do you figure out the angle? So this angle, this angle, this angle. Let's say this angle is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3.
Law of cosines.
Hmm?
Side, side,
Yeah,
side.
side.
So here,
law of
oh,
cosines.
here. Eh. Isn't it? So, step 2, to measure S1, S2, and S3, need to know alpha 1, alpha 2, and alpha 3, right?
Yes.
Good. To do that, apply what?
Law of cosines.
Exactly. Law of, very good. Cosines. How to? Very good. I know, yeah. But idea, deriving idea is very important procedure. How to apply? For alpha 1, what do you want to do? Cosine, no. Yeah, see, that's the reason I don't erase, but I erase it. How to? Cosine. So cosine alpha 1 equal to what? Equal to what? See, cosine alpha 1. Like here, this is alpha 1, am I right? This is alpha 2, this is alpha 3, am I right? For angle A, angle B, angle C is fine. So, what is alpha 1? Yeah, so alpha 1 is, what is the bottom? 2 times what? 2 times what? So, what? Number? 11 times? 10. Do you understand? Because we need to use the what? Front length should be what? Subtract, yes? Am I right? Yeah, so what? 11 square, 10 square, minus 9 square. Am I right? Compute it. What is it? I don't know. Compute it.
It's 220 on the bottom.
220?
Yes.
And the top is?
140.
140? So, 7 over 11. Am I right?
Yes.
Good. So, alpha 1 is what? Alpha 1 is cosine inverse 7 over 11. Go. What is it?
50.48.
54.8 degree.
No, 50.47.
I'm sorry. 47?
Sorry, 48.
Oh, 8. Sorry. 8. Isn't it? Okay, so what we know? This angle is what? This angle is, this angle is Similarly what? Similarly, cosine alpha 2, am I right?
Yeah.
Equal to what? 2 times what? Alpha 2. 2 times what? Huh? 9 times? Good. So 9 squared, 11 squared, minus 10 squared. Am I right? What is it?
Uh, 102 over 198.
102, sorry. So, what is the simple? Okay, so alpha 2 is what? Cosine inverse 102 over 198. What is it?
Uh, 57.53.
Yeah, so yes, am I right? Now, so what is alpha 3?
180
That's right.
minus
180 minus 50.48 minus 57.53. What is it?
and it should be 71.99.
71.99. Good. So all the angle is given. It's not an and. Go back to this. Now we need to measure what? Area of sector, yes? Here, how do you measure? So step 3. What is the area of S1? 1/2 what?
6 squared.
1/2 what? 6
6 squared.
6 squared times what?
Uh,
Unfortunately, 50.48 is what? Your degree, am I right? So how do you measure the radian? Here you have to prepare for what? See, that's I don't want to ask this question. Ah,
So many.
what? 50.48.
She needs to convert it into radians.
Yeah, radian.
It's
That's
not-
right.
What we plug it in, like if that the 50.48 is not in the right units.
So what is this? So compute this with me. What is it? 50.48 divided by 180. What is it?
0.28.
0.28 pi. Yes?
Yes.
So you can compute here. It's 0.28 pi. And then you will get the answer here. Yeah? Similarly for area S2, similarly for area S3. Yes? Here, I want to emphasize, I don't ask this kind of long question. Of course, I cannot. But I already emphasized. Maybe I will going to ask what? How do you measure the arc length? Yes. How do you measure the sector area? Yes. That's important. Yeah. So your question in the test will be simple, short, quick. But you don't study and then, oh, my question is this, before I forgot. Do you really want to use the my formula, or do you wanna study and make a one-page front and back your own formula?
What's the difference?
Let me ask. How many want to use the my formula? Yeah.
Nobody?
She doesn't have the special
What?
triangles on her form.
Oh, okay. Well, we can
So
just
how
add
many?
it.
How many want to my formula? 3. How many want to prepare your own formula?
All y'all gotta vote.
Okay. So this time, I will gonna disregard my formula. Okay. So you can bring 1 page of formula. Yes. Your case you have to show before the exam. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So, but I will gonna check in the exam at the beginning time. You copy some of example and then what? I will gonna tell it. in front of you. Yes?
Wait, what?
I do have a question.
But let me finish. You have to only write down what? Formula. Don't copy some of example. Yes? Or exercise problem. If I see some of number, except like a table, whatever, and then I don't permit to you use. You understand? Yes? So be careful. Because each time when I make a question, many students solve the problem. Oh, and then what? Bring it. No. Yes?
So we could draw our.
You can only use what? Your table I assign as a homework. Yes, extra homework. That one I will
Oh, that.
that one I will permit to use.
Oh, okay.
Because I know you guys are all the time, what is this value? What is this value? You all the time doing this.
So yes, this.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So we can add that with the special triangles.
Yes.
Okay. Can we put
And you
those?
can draw the graph also.
What about the circle?
I permit too much, but don't solve any problem. You understand what I mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you solve some specific question and then.
What
not
about the
permit
unit
you.
circle? Can we add the unit circle on it?
Yeah, you can
Yeah?
draw unit circle.
Oh, we
you
can-
have to show me, like Monday or Monday.
Oh, okay.
Until Monday, yes. Study and prepare for your formula sheet and then you see.
Okay.
Anybody has a question? No? So here, I'm done. So before I finish, I'm done everything for chapter 6. Now, I want to give you one good information. Go to page where? Page 531. Each section has a what? Practice test. Yes? This one is good to practice for the exam.
For the test.
531, page 531. Yes?
ma'am.
Yeah. Is it good? Yes? Okay. Don't forget you have a quiz 4 today. And maybe quiz 5 will be a little bit far from right now.
Mid-November.
I'm thinking, yes, maybe. I'm thinking one more quiz you left, and your test, I'm thinking after the Thanksgiving. That's better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I already checked attendance, so you can go. You can go.